SYG Tech is here. Welcome back for another video. Stefan is here. How's it going, guys? How much money do you need to spend to customize your iPhone 7 Plus? In today's video, I have a case, I have a screen protector, and also I have a skin, which in my opinion looks very dope. So we're gonna customize this iPhone 7 Plus less than £10. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. As you can see, this is the skin. Again, it's not the brand that everybody knows, but in my opinion this looks amazing. You will see the results in a minute. And again, less than £10 you can customize all your iPhone 7 Plus. So my question is, do you put a screen protector? Do you protect your iPhone 7 Plus? Do you put a case? Do you put a skin? Let me know in the comments down below. As you can see, the skin looks pretty good with all the internals of the iPhone 7 Plus. I don't know if this is the original internals, but hey, looks cool, looks fun, and it's affordable. In my opinion, this looks very dope, and the reason for that is the skin looks pretty good. Actually doesn't look like it's a skin. In my opinion, looks very good in person. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about this iPhone 7 Plus with this skin applied. And again, this is not sponsored video. I purchased these items on my own. So let me know in the comments down below, do you customize your iPhone? Do you like to customize it with a skin? Do you use a screen protector? Do you use a case, or you just have it like this? This is the iPhone 7 Plus jet black. The reason for this upgrade is because the iPhone 7 Plus is very slippery and it's very scratch, so it scratches very easy. So I decided to try this skin, and in my opinion this looks dope. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about this skin? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Let me know in the comments down below. Do you have any suggestions? Let me know. So I like it. In my opinion, this looks very good, looks very clean, and it looks nice. But the more important is, let me know, what do you think? So iPhone 7 Plus with the skin and case, and this is the case. It's not special, this is a transparent plastic TPU case, but in my opinion the combo is very good because you can see the skin behind the case, and in my opinion it looks dope. But again, you are the judge. Let me know, what do you think? I hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. This was SYG Tech Stefan. I will see you in the next video.